I am going to use this video as an excuse to finally unpack what's in my honeymoon makeup bag. Actually very excited to show you everything that's inside it. And also one of the reasons that I haven't unpacked this is because how beautifully everything is stacked and packed. So Ramesh, my husband, is a great packer and he did such a good job of not only packing this bag but also like my suitcases and everything else. He's such an organizer and I feel like that's such a quality. It's, of course I'm organized, but not as organized as he is. He really loves to pack and unpack. I hate to pack. I hate unpacking even more, but I just feel so nice looking at the way this is packed that I didn't have the heart to unpack it. But then I think it's time. It's finally time. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing actually that you will see is this little packet of gems. I actually bought this for my cocktail look. I was wearing like a very shimmery sari, and you know how there's this trend of wearing gems on your hair, so that's what I thought I would do, especially on the side of my hair. But then it really would have been too much. I was like, you know what, my honeymoon is during the New Year's, I'm 100% going to wear it. Oh, by the way, none of the products that were here except for the sunscreen was used. Okay, so I did not end up wearing makeup at all. So that's what this is. I got this from Amazon. I will find the link for you guys in case you're looking for rhinestones or gems. And then another thing that I bought, this was not for the wedding, this was actually specifically for the New Year's, and I really thought that I am going to end up wearing this. This is a holographic glitter. I bought this from Nykaa just before I left for Delhi. Actually I ordered it to Delhi because I knew that, you know, I was not going to be here and I really wanted this. I wanted to do like my Debasree Beauty liners with some glitter in it. Like, it would have been really fun. This is so stunning. This is exactly what I wanted. So this is from Forever 52, Daily Life Forever 52, and this is in the shade Disco Ball. It's really pretty. In case you guys are looking for a nice holographic glitter to use as a liner or as body paint, you can even use it on your hair. You can definitely check this out. And I realized that after I ordered from Nykaa that they have better offers on their own websites and even better discounts. So next time I will order it directly from them. Okay, so this is something that I bought when I was in Dubai earlier last year, actually exactly a year ago. This is from this brand called ISDIN. This is their mineral Fotoprotector powder. So this is really nice. Okay, so the first 2 months I didn't know how to use this because there is no other opening. I can see the powder here, the sunscreen powder, but there's no other opening other than the brush. And I was like, this brush doesn't come out, how am I going to use this? And for the longest time, you know, I just avoided using it because I was like, I don't know if I got like a broken piece or something. I bought this at one of the booths in Dubai, and you do get ISDIN as a brand here. I use the Fotoprotector sunscreen. It's the sunscreen I've been using for more than a year now. I love it. It is in this bag as well, but you don't really find this mineral sunscreen. I will try and find this online. In case I'm lucky and I find it, I will link it for you guys. But if you're traveling, this is definitely something you can check out because you can use this to reapply your sunscreen over your makeup without disturbing the makeup. It even like mattifies the makeup and has a little bit of coverage too, and it does not really whitewash your face or break you out because it's mineral and it's non-comedogenic. So this really is a great product. Okay, so then I found out finally how to use it. Apparently you just roll it and the powder comes out. I don't know if you can see the powder. So basically you just roll it all over your face and you have reapplied your sunscreen. This I definitely used. I carried this in my beach bag, and this is quite nice to apply. My only issue with this is that how am I going to clean the brush? So I have used like a brush cleansing spray and then, you know, just cleansed the brush on a tissue paper, but then I also feel like it wastes a lot of the powder, so I have to do it like upright and rub the tissue on the brush instead of the brush on the tissue, if you know what I mean. But please clean your makeup sponges, okay? You know those sponges that are inside your MAC compact, your L'Oreal compact that you keep using and never wash? Please go wash those. Alright, so next, speaking of unwashed, oh no, this is washed. I'm very proud of myself. I have a powder puff, and I took one of my favorite mattifying powder that I never ended up using. This is from Fenty Beauty. This is their universal powder. This is what it looks like, and this is one of the most mattifying powders I've ever used. It's so nice. It is a sheer color, so it's universal, it's translucent, and I was going to Maldives, and I knew it was going to be very hot and humid there, so I thought, you know what, this would have been perfect for my makeup over there to just set it in place. But yeah, didn't really use it. My ISDIN powder was good enough. Then I also have my ISDIN sunscreen. This is actually my backup sunscreen. I have another bottle that I took with me that's actually over, and I will start using this. This is brand new. It's a full unused bottle. So ISDIN is a very lightweight sunscreen. I'm actually going to show you guys what it looks like. So it's a very lightweight, watery foundation that works really well for my combination skin. I have used so many countless bottles of this. It actually gives my skin a very nice radiant glow that I love. You know, once you find that good sunscreen that you love, you actually end up using it every single day, and you look forward to applying sunscreen. It becomes a part of your routine. Thanks to the sunscreen, it finally has become a part of my routine. Next, I have this sheer tinted moisturizer from Smashbox. As you can see from the status of the packaging, this is a very well loved tinted moisturizer. I actually love using this as just a foundation and just put a little bit of concealer wherever I need more coverage, and I'm just good to go. And my skin was doing really well during the wedding, so I was hoping that I wouldn't break out as much at the honeymoon and I would not need like too much coverage, but turns out I didn't use any coverage. So this is a very lightweight moisturizer that actually has a good amount of pigmentation on it, which means that it does have a nice coverage that evens out your skin, and it just melts into the skin so beautifully. This is in the shade medium, which I thought would have been perfect for my skin color once I was tanned, because you saw in the last video that my foundation does not match my skin or what my skin used to be anymore. So it's more like a summer shade during the winter. Yeah, so if you guys would want a moisturizer or like a foundation that's lightweight for an everyday purpose, say if you go to college or if you go to office, or you know, you're a teacher in the school and you have like long hours but you don't want to look like you have a lot of makeup on, then you can definitely try this, because it just goes on like a moisturizer. It's very easy to apply. You don't even have to use a sponge or a brush. I didn't even carry any brush as such. I knew that most of this I could use my hand to apply, except for the powder. And then for concealer, I took my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Ginger, which is medium 2. This is actually a brand new tube, and I've been saving this, and I was like, you know what, let's take this to the honeymoon. That's the best time to like open it and use it, because I finished up my previous one, but poor thing is still unused. You will notice that everything that I've carried for the honeymoon is for like a very natural, flushed dewy, no makeup, and I find that this concealer is perfect for that. Next, I have my Fenty Beauty Contour Stick. I really like this one. I think it's very convenient. The color is actually perfect and it blends really easily. I don't have to use, I didn't have to carry a brush set. I didn't have to carry like a sponge or anything. I could just, you know, use this quickly and just use my finger to blend everything, and I would have been done with my makeup. This is really nice. Sugar Cosmetic actually has something very similar which I love. I'm going to link that for you guys. I took quite a lot of sticks, and this one from Nude Stick is one of my favorites right now. This is called Poppy Girl. This is what the color looks like. I love these Nude Stick blushes. They're so easy to apply, so multi-purpose. They're very pigmented. You can use them as your lipstick, you can use them as your blush, you can use them as eyeshadow, and again, supremely easy to blend and looks very fresh and glowy. Perfect for like an island girl makeup. And this also comes with a brush, so in case I needed to blend something, I knew I had this. Up next, I actually have a powder product. This is from Givenchy, and this is their Prisme Libre brush. Oh my god, I've butchered all three names. It's Givenchy, right? And Prisme Libre blush in the shade, oh gosh, I won't be able to say this name, Voile Coral. All I can tell is that it's like a coral shade. Yeah, that's what this is. Sorry, my French sucks. But yeah, this is what the blush looks like. I used it a couple of times before, and I thought this would be really nice to set, say, a blush like this, or if I just needed like a soft, you know, the sun-kissed blush, first use this and then just use the powder to kind of set it for that really opaque blushed look. I thought this would have been perfect for it because this blends like a dream. It's a beautiful, expensive formula. Up next, I just took a small eyeshadow palette. I knew I was not going to wear any eyeshadow, but I just took one with very like neutral colors. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Eye Filter Luxury Palette in Hollywood, and it has like just the highlighter shade, a black eyeshadow, a bronze, and a champagne one. So I thought this would have been perfect. I actually really like this black that Charlotte Tilbury has. It's really nice to do like a small flick on the outer corners of my eyes. Then I have this Sephora nude eye pencil. I love nude eye pencils. Whenever I'm doing like a no makeup look, really love this one from Sephora. Then I have my Benefit Precisely My Brows. This is the shade Grey, and I really like this to fill in my eyebrows. Then I've also taken a kajal. This is the Killer Kajal from Too Faced. Really like this. It's quite nice, very pigmented, very long lasting. I love the packaging. I love how skinny the kajal in itself is. I love to tightline using this. That's why I took it for my no makeup look, because whenever I'm doing a no makeup look, I'm always wearing mascara, and I like to just tightline underneath my lashes to make my lashes appear fuller. Then I have this Maybelline Sky High mascara. I did end up using this once. I love wearing mascara. Like, I feel like my face looks incomplete without my lashes curled or mascara on my lashes. I feel very dolled up. Like, I did like a mascara and a Dior lip tint day for sure, but I didn't end up wearing a lot of base makeup. So speaking of lip tint, I took this red one from Dior. This is in the shade Natural Poppy. Ooh, I think I had like a poppy theme going on unconsciously. This is poppy, this is poppy. Then I took this nude gloss from e.l.f. This is their lip lacquer in the shade Moody Capriccio. Moody, let's just call it Moody. I cannot pronounce French names. I'm just gonna, maybe I'll swatch this on my lips. It's a very neutral, lovely, shiny, not too sticky gloss that I thought would be perfect for like a no makeup look. And this Dior lip tint actually looks beautiful, so natural. I'm just going to swatch it here. So this is what the color is, and then it sets into the lips like a stain, so that looks very natural, and it has a very nice formula that again you can use as a blush too. Yeah, lots of multi-purpose products, but I love the shade. I just realized I could have just taken the Dior and not taken the nude stick. They're very similar, but the nude stick one is more pigmented. Oh, I took another Dior lip stain. I love this one. This one is, I think, almost over because I wear it so much. This is in the shade Natural Tea. No? What is it? Oh my god, I feel blind. Yeah, it's Natural Tea. Oh, I really had to focus my eyes on that. I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys in between these two poppy shades. Look at this. Oh my god, this color is like a natural rosy rosewood color that just is like my lips but better. It's one of my favorite like nude lips. I love this shade so much. I love the Dior lip stains. They're quite nice. And again, like I said, you can use this as a blush because they're essentially tints. So yeah, has a nice little glow as well. Just didn't want it to go to waste. Okay, so last but not the least, I think, yep, that's everything. This is the last product. So I got this to wear under the e.l.f. gloss. This is MAC lipstick in Mocha. It's one of my favorite brown shade. I'm just swatching it for you guys here. So it's like a nice pinkish nude, like a pinkish brown nude. And then this is one of my favorite lip combos. You apply this e.l.f. lip gloss in Moody, and this is what it looks like. I love this combo. It's so nice. Try it out, guys. You'll love it. It's beautiful. So that's everything in my honeymoon makeup bag. I really had the best time there, and maybe in the next video I'll do like a story time of Maldives, and maybe my YouTube fam will hear it first because I'm still uploading my wedding sort of videos on my Instagram, and I don't want to kind of mix up things. So I want all of the wedding videos to get done, and then I'll be posting about my honeymoon. But you guys already know my full wedding story, so I think I'm gonna do a nice sit down, get ready with me or something. You know, I'll be sitting down making my protein shake and talking to you guys about my honeymoon, show you all the pictures because I'm dying to share them. They're so pretty. That place was so beautiful. I'd never been, Ramesh had never been, so, and we are both like beach babies. Poor thing doesn't know how to swim, but he still loves the ocean, so I'm very grateful for that. And we both loved it there. We loved lazing around there. We loved the food. We loved the hospitality of where we were. I think they went the extra mile to just make sure that we are super comfortable. The staff was so nice. I had so many interesting conversations with the staff because most of them were Indians and they've been there for like 2 years or 6 months, and it was quite nice to see or hear their perspective about how it has been like working in a remote island, you know, because at the end of the day, after their shift, they don't really have, say, a mall to go to or just unwind in a conventional way. And yeah, so it was quite nice, and I cannot wait to do that story time. Until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found some nice product to try for yourself. Most of these are very wearable, everyday sort of makeup that I took with me. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you missed out on the wedding story video, I'm gonna link it right here so you guys can go watch that and then come back and watch this again so you'll get the references. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.